Hi everybody, I'm Gigi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and today I am going to be making bread. I have never made bread before on GiGi Eats Celebrities, well, a recipe of my own at least, because Kayla of Healthy Helper blog, she made me a pumpkin bread recipe a couple years ago. But I want to make something myself because, well, when I was a kid, I frickin' loved bread. Like literally my entire diet was bread. Bread and butter. Oh, and pasta too. But those were the three things that I used to eat. So I really want to try and make bread that's GiGi approved, which means it has to be gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, soy-free, nut-free, and well, wheat-free and grain-free in general. So I'm gonna give it a go. Now the interesting thing about the bread I am about to make is it's going to consist of cauliflower. That's right guys, we are making cauliflower bread today. Not just any kind of bread, cauliflower bread. Let's do this. Would have thought you could make bread with cauliflower. Cauliflower is seriously one of the most universal vegetables ever. You can literally make anything with it these days. You can make oatmeal, you can obviously make bread, make pizza crust, you can do everything with that stuff. And I think I was rather successful with my bread. However, I have not tried it yet, so we don't really know that. Look at this cauliflower bread, guys. Obviously it didn't rise because I didn't put yeast in it or whatever, and I had no intention of having it rise to begin with. So if you do want a rising bread, well then you're gonna have to look somewhere else because that was not my intention whatsoever. So if you want to make this sandwich bread, what I highly recommend is you get a bigger baking dish and you actually really push the cauliflower bread dough down into it so it's a bit thinner. That way, when you bake it, you'll bake it for less time because it'll cook faster, first of all, but secondly, you'll just get a thinner piece of bread, so when you take it out of the oven and you cut it, you can cut it into squares and it's thinner and you can make sandwich bread. That being said, you can do so many other things with this bread. You don't just have to make sandwiches. You can crumble it up and put it in soups. You can toast it and you can make croutons. Or you can just simply crumble it up and sprinkle it on salads or pasta. But you know what else you could do with this? You could make French toast, which is something I actually plan on doing in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that one. We're not gonna do that today, everybody. Instead, we are simply going to relish over this beautiful bread I made. And I mean, the best part about it is the Everything Bagel Spice. Everything is better with Everything Bagel Spice, right? Well, then again, I have no idea because I have not tried this yet. So I gotta shove this baby in my face. Okay, I am in love with this. You have no idea. I have a feeling that me at a younger age, the person who only consumed regular bread, pasta, and butter, would actually really like this too. I am envisioning myself toasting this up and putting like some butter flavored coconut oil on top. Oh, drizzling right on there. Oh man, this is top notch, guys. Top notch. I am so in love right now. Cauliflower, coconut flour, eggs, some herbs and spices. This is like one of the easiest bread recipes you will ever make in your entire life, so I highly recommend you do so. I also highly recommend that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below telling me what kind of bread you're into, and if you ever thought about making cauliflower bread yourself. Also, stay tuned because I'm so making French toast out of this baby. Bye. By the way, don't you love the placement of my lavalier mic? I don't care. Cause I made bread, I'm a baking lady. I made bread.